Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Pratt and Whitney invests over $100 million to expand US maintenance network and boost GTF engine support capacity. Pratt and Whitney, a business of RTX, has announced an investment of more than $100 million to expand its maintenance, repair and overhaul network in the United States. The investment covers facilities in Texas, Florida and Arkansas and is aimed at increasing support capacity for its geared turbofan engine fleet. The company said the upgrades will improve efficiency and speed across maintenance operations. The expansion includes new equipment, facility upgrades and increased repair capabilities. Rob Griffith said, "These investments demonstrate Pratt and Whitney's continued commitment to lifting our airline customers' GTF fleets." He added, "Across these three U.S. facilities, we are investing to increase throughput of GTF engines and parts, adding repair capabilities and deploying new technologies to return engines to our customers as quickly as possible." In Irving, Texas, the company has invested $78 million in a new 500,000 square foot facility for its commercial serviceable assets business. The site will expand the availability of used serviceable material and support faster turnaround times for engine maintenance. Pratt and Whitney said the Irving investment will increase material stock by more than 60%. It will also enhance repair development and quick-turn maintenance capacity. In West Palm Beach, Florida, the company has invested $20 million to expand its engine center. The site has been enlarged by approximately 50,000 square feet, increasing GTF maintenance capacity by 40%. The Florida facility has also added new equipment for engine assembly, disassembly and testing. Additional capabilities include machining, cleaning and warehousing. In Springdale, Arkansas, Pratt and Whitney has invested $4.7 million to expand its propulsion systems division. The site has been enlarged by 7,000 square feet to support both commercial and military engine case repairs. The Arkansas facility has also introduced additive manufacturing repair capabilities. The company said these upgrades are expected to reduce repair process times by more than 60%. Earlier this year, Pratt and Whitney expanded its Columbus Engine Center in Georgia with a $17 million investment. The expansion increased the site's annual capacity by more than 25%. Pratt and Whitney said its global GTF maintenance network includes 21 engine centers and around 40 component repair facilities. The company has delivered more than 2,700 GTF-powered aircraft to over 90 customers worldwide. The investment reflects growing demand for maintenance services as the GTF fleet expands. The program is intended to support operational readiness and improve service delivery across the global network. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.